Третий класс английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание. Хорошо проводим время. Часть вторая. Страница 48, 49, 50, 51. English. Starlight 3. We're having a great time. Homework part number 2. Page number 48, 49, 50, 51. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 48, 48. My new clothes. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Hi, Emma. Your t-shirt's nice. Your trousers are nice too. Hey, Emma, Mona, what are you doing? We're picking flowers. We're playing football. Come on. No, I can't. I am wearing my new trousers. And I'm wearing my new t-shirt. So, what's the problem? That's the problem. Oh no, it's raining. We're getting wet. Don't worry. It's just a small dark cloud. Elena, the sun is shining. Hooray, it's sunny again. Let's all play together. Good idea. We're having a great time. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and find the number of picture. Прочтите диалог еще раз и найдите номер картинки. We're picking flowers, picture number 2. It's raining, picture number 7. We're getting wet, picture number 8. The sun is shining, picture number 10. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 50, 50. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Socks, boots, shorts, trainers, jacket. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and point to the clothes. Послушайте и укажите на одежду. Who's wearing glasses? Glasses, glasses. Who's wearing glasses? I know, it's Ben. Who's wearing red socks? Red socks, red socks. Who's wearing red socks? I know, it's Pam. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. In groups, sing about Jack and Katie. В группах спойте о Джеке и Кэти. Who's wearing blue shorts? Who's wearing brown boots? The answer. Who's wearing blue shorts? Blue shorts, blue shorts. Who's wearing blue shorts? I know, it's Jack. Who's wearing brown boots? Brown boots, brown boots. Who's wearing brown boots? I know, it's Katie. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 51, 51. Exercise number 4. Read the text and match them to the pictures. Прочтите тексты и сопоставьте их с картинками. My magic moments. This is me and Sid, the snowman. It's snowing. She's wearing my jacket and this hat. This is me in Spain. It's very hot and sunny. Look at me. I'm wearing a very funny t-shirt. This is me at my birthday party. I'm wearing my new pink trainers. By Lisa. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Write about special moments in your life. Draw or stick photos. Напишите об особых моментах своей жизни. Нарисуйте или приклейте фотографии. The answer. This is me and Boniface, the lion. It's hot and sunny. I am wearing my hat, shorts and t-shirt. We in Africa. This is me in winter. My friends and I are playing snowballs and making a snowman. We're having a great time. I love winter. This is at my mom's birthday party. She is wearing a nice red dress. I'm giving her flowers. I love my mom. Fun time. Read the proverb. What does it mean? Have you got the same proverb in your language? It's raining cats and dogs. The answer. This proverb means that it's raining heavily. It's raining cats and dogs. Did you know? This is Angus, the snowman. He is 34.63 meters tall. He is really tall. Every minute of the day, about 1 billion tons of rain falls onto the earth. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.